Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at the major construction projects on the way in Montego Bay, Jamaica. We're going to make videos of all the projects we speak about today. Today is just an update video, so you're not going to see the actual construction sites, but we plan to make videos of all these sites over the next week, and we will keep making the videos until the projects are finished. Okay, so on the right is the Harbor City Shopping Center. That is a massive development going on in Montego Bay. We are on the Howard Cook Boulevard, and that's the construction you can see on the right. We actually have videos up of this project, so you can check it out, and we'll keep you updated as we go along. Okay, so Jamaica is going through a construction boom. Never before has so much construction been going on in Jamaica at any one time. The tallest building in Jamaica is going to change every year for the next 4 or 5 years. That's how much construction is going on. And currently the tallest building is a Pegasus at 17 floors in Kingston. But they have plans to build a 28-story building in Montego Bay out by Reading. When that one is completed, it will be the tallest building in Jamaica. And it's not one tower they're building, it's going to be 4 towers at 28 floors each. 4 towers at 28 floors each. Okay, they haven't started construction yet, but we'll keep you guys updated on that project. But that will be the tallest building in Jamaica. Now, they have plans to build a building between 28 and 32 floors in Kingston. It's going to be a part of the Wyndham Hotel, although the hotel might not be under that name. But that project has not started yet, though they're still in the design phase. They haven't submitted any projects, any plans. I'll put it this way, no plans have been approved for the construction of that building yet. So as of today, the tallest building in Jamaica will be the building in Montego Bay. All right, so there are so many more buildings under construction in Montego Bay, or projects. So the Hard Rock Cafe or the Hard Rock Hotel is going to be putting up hotels in St. James. It's going to be 1,800 rooms, and it's going to be in the Lilliput area. Now, in the Freeport area, a 14-story building is going up. It's going to be the new Freeport development. It's going to be residential and commercial. It's going to be a mix. And Freeport is right by the shipping port in Montego Bay, very close to the Fairview Shopping Center. It's a very nice area. You have a lot of very nice hotels and resorts down there. Okay, a 12-floor building is going up on Godfrey Dyer Boulevard. That's going to have 85 units, which are a mix between retail and residential. And then we already mentioned Reading, which is the buildings are going to the 28-story towers. The 4 of them are going to be a mix between residential, commercial, and resort, meaning hotel. Then Westgate, they're putting up a commercial building, and also in Westgate they are renovating the plaza, and that should finish soon. Then we mentioned the Harbor City Shopping Center at the beginning of the video, and then the Vista, they're building a hotel called the Vista Montego Bay on the Hip Strip. That hotel is going to be cost over $100 million US, and it's being built right on the hip strip in Montego Bay. You have Harmony Park, which the government just renovated, spent some millions renovating that building. That's actually not a building, it's a park. So that park, it's finished now. Very nice park. Then you have the hip strip itself. The government is going to be spending over $1 billion to renovate the hip strip in Montego Bay. Then you have the Sangster International Airport, where they are extending the runway. When finished, that runway will be the longest runway in Jamaica. And the Sangster International Airport is actually the largest and busiest airport in Jamaica. And they have recently finished the departure terminal, but that airport is always growing and expanding. So they have plans to renovate the departure or the terminals even more to keep up to date with all of the planes using it. Alright guys, so this is just a summary of all the major construction projects going on in Montego Bay. And as we said at the beginning of the video, we're going to make videos on each project and keep you guys updated until all the projects are finished. And if we missed any project, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below, and we will also include it in the videos that we're going to make in the Montego Bay area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.